Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about assert null and assert not null with an simple example. First of all, let me create a package and keep it inside data. Right click, new Java class. Here I'm taking employee class. I'm creating employee class. In the employee class, let me take some attributes first. Private string id, private string name, private string address. Let me create the constructor. Employee string id, string name, string address. This dot id equal to id, this dot name equal to name, this dot address equal to address. We have generated the parameterized constructor. Right click, generate, getter and setter, click OK. That's it. Control Alt L, format. After that, create one class which is a employee test class, employee test data class. In the employee test data class, create one array list, private list, which takes the employee emp list equal to new array list. After that, what we will do here is we'll take one method, public employee add emp, that takes the employee we'll do one thing, we will not return anything, and what I will do here is by using the employee list dot add of employee that we are passing. That's it. After that, create one method that returns the employee and get that employee by using the employee id. Get emp by id, that takes the string id as a parameter, and return by using the employee list dot string dot filter. By using the each employee, I am iterating the each employee, employee dot get id dot equals to the id which we are passing, the id which we are passing. Employee dot get id dot equals to id dot find any dot or else return the null. That's it. That's it. Control Alt format it. In the test package, right click, new, create one package, that is data. Inside that, create one class which is a employee null check. Inside that, void test employee null or not. I'm saying at the rate of test. Annotate that method with at the rate of test. After that, inside it, what we will do here is create the object for employee test data. Equal to new employee test data. Employee test data dot what we will do here is first we will create the object and pass the employee values. Employee equal to new employee 1 comma Anish comma hello. Employee equal to new employee 2 comma Rajesh Pune. Now, by using the reference variable of employee test data, call the method which is add employee and pass the employee reference variable, the object that we have created by passing the employee values. Do for the second item also. Dot add of employee 2. I'm saying. Now do the check by calling the method which is a get employee by ID. By using the reference variable dot get employee by ID and pass the ID which is 1 Control Alt V, assign statement to the new local variable. Now do the assertions dot assert not null employee by ID. Now this test case should get passed because here we are doing the check by using the employee ID. Get employee by ID. What we are doing here is we are returning the employee by getting the ID based on the employee. We are getting the employee based on the ID. What we are doing here is we are streaming the employee by taking the filter method employee dot get ID dot equals to ID, the ID which we are passing, find any. That means what this will do here is it will find the corresponding employee if the employee is present, or else what it will do is it will return the null value. Right click, run. See here the test case has been passed. Here we are passing only 2 employees. Let's say for example if I pass 3, what it will do? The test case has been failed. That is by using assert not null. What this assert not null will do is, it will check whether the employee is present or not. If it is not present, it will give, what it will do is, it will throw the error if it is not present. If it is there, that corresponding employee is there, the test case will get passed. Let's say, for example, I am passing here 3. That means that corresponding employee is not there and it is not added into the corresponding employee list. 3 is not there. And what I am doing here is, I am removing this not. Let me run it. See here, the test case has been passed. That means here, assert null, what it will do here is, if the corresponding list is empty, the test case will get passed because it returns the null value. It returns the null value. That means it is null. That's why assert null, this test case has been passed. That is the usage of assert null and assert not null. Let's say, for example, I am saying assert not null and here I am passing 2. The employee with the ID 2, the employee data with the ID 2, it is there. That means the test case will get passed. That is about the assert null and assert not null.